try to maiden this bitch at night. We're gonna see. You excited? Oh, I'm sorry. You pushed me. Okay, I'm gonna put this backpack on. Let's hike it over there. I'll get my coffee. Oh, sweetie. I know, sweetie. You happy? All right. It's got 7 sats, 7 satellites. Okay. Recording. Okay. GoPro. Shot. Angle mode. Good. Okay. It's working. Goes in return to home, coming out of return to home and turning. Here we are. Let's go. Okay. Nice. Okay. We're going. Let's look around, pan. Oh yeah. I thought it might be a little foggy, but we're here. Fuck yeah. Just kind of stay chilling here until we know everything's good. Cool. I wonder how my right turns are. They always suck. Mr. Pringles. Cruising speed. I'm a good boy. Real dark over here. Stay right above these fucking trees. This is dope. Oh, there's a car. Pringles, stay close. Come over here. Good boy. Cool, you can kind of see everything. I'm pretty satisfied with this. Need some further testing. I need some tweaks. I need some more practice. I'm good at landing and I'm good at taking off. But like the shaky shit is what's fucking me up. Oh, like fucking right there. Yeah, it turns right, nice. Dope. This is okay. flying at night. The way it goes. Man between the trees, I guess. Come in hot. Nice. I like it. Okay. Good shit. Hell yeah. Let's see. I'm pleased. I'm pleased. I'm glad it worked. I'm so nervous. Let's go. I gotta put lights in this bitch. I don't even know where it went. Where is it, Pringle? Oh, I see it.